Randy, why you never ask me to sing?
I'm not sure. But she's pretty good though.
Huh?
She's pretty good though.
Yeah.
She came up to me and said she's a singer. And I said yes. And she goes, I really want to sing. And she goes, doesn't matter what I gotta do. So I said, I'm going to Vancouver. She says, I will pay my fare because I want to be there. Come on, give her a round of applause. So her single drops sometime in the summer because I'm going to be working with her. Do you think she's all right? Yeah? No, if Vancouver says it, then I gotta believe it.
Everything better than is not gold. Everything that's better is not gold.
All right. Well, listen, this is not Miss Gold.